So how do you turn your camera on a FaceTime? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, whenever you're using the FaceTime for a camera, right, you can make sure that you just, start the video call and whatever. In the bottom left corner, you have the ability to turn the camera from the front facing one to the rear facing one if that's what you're going after, right? So you can switch between the selfie mode and like the rear camera mode, so that's pretty useful. But outside of that, you can also just perform some other things in here, so you can just play around with that. However, if your camera does not work or if there's something going on with it, just make sure that the FaceTime has permission to access it, because you can find it inside of the settings, privacy and security, and in there you have like the camera section. So you want to make sure that the FaceTime is like enabled for it. Like it should work out and everything, right? But like, yeah, generally you manage it in here. So yeah, you can also manage your specific FaceTime settings in the settings app as well, where you can like make sure it's turned on and all of that. But at the end of the day, that's all that you can really do with it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.